Hello, welcome to ACES Health, the show where we explore how real healing happens, not just through medicine, but through wisdom, lifestyle, and the science of the human body. I'm Dr. J.D. Young, and I'm excited to launch a brand new series today, The Chemistry of Aging. In this first episode, we ask a bold question. Can a drug actually slow down aging? I'm talking about rapamycin, a compound discovered in volcanic soil that could become the first true longevity drug. Is it safe? What does the science say? And should you consider it? Let's begin with the surprising origin story. Rapamycin was discovered in the 1960s on East Island, Rapalore. Canadian researchers studying soil bacteria found a microbiome that secreted a unique antifungal compound. They named it rapamycin, after the island itself. It was originally used to prevent organ rejection in transplant patients. Later, it showed promise as an anti-cancer drug. But then scientists discovered something even more incredible. Rapamycin could extend the lifespan in worms, flies, mice, or even some primates. It didn't just delay death, it appeared to improve health span, the quality of life in our later years. How could one drug do all that? Answer lies in a cellular pathway called mTOR, short for mechanistic target of rapamycin. The mTOR is a nutrient sensing switch. When it is turned on, your body focuses on growth, cell divide, reproduce, build proteins. That's necessary for development, but too much growth over time leads to wear and tear, dysfunction, and aging. When mTOR is turned down through fasting, caloric restriction, or rapamycin, your cells switch into repair mode. They clean up damaged components, activate self-recycling process like autophagy, and slow down aging. So, in simple terms, rapamycin is like a pharmaceutical version of fasting. It doesn't starve you, it just tells your body to shift gears. Let's look at what the research says. A meta-analysis of 167 studies across 8 species found that rapamycin consistently extends lifespan and delayed disease. In mouse model of Alzheimer's, rapamycin reduced the beta amyloid buildup, restored memory, and even improved blood-brain barrier integrity. In humans, trials are underway. At the University of Texas, older adults with mild cognitive impairment are taking 1 to 2 milligrams of rapamycin weekly for 6 to 12 months. Early findings suggest it's safe and potentially beneficial. The science isn't hyper, it's real and growing. Now, is it safe? Used as transplant-level doses, rapamycin can suppress the immune system. But in anti-aging use, we are talking about low intermittent dosing, once per week, not daily. The side effects can include mouth sores or fatigue, but they're generally mild and reversible. So, who might consider it? If you are over 50, struggling with metabolic syndrome, insulin resistance, or cognitive decline, or looking for ways to reduce inflammation and protect your brain, rapamycin might be worth exploring with your doctor. But it's not for everyone. If you are pregnant, immunocompromised, or fighting chronic infections, this is not a path for you. Here's something interesting. A study compared the calorie restriction with rapamycin in aging mice. Fasting reversed 90% of age-related gene expression in the brain. Rapamycin reversed about 72%. They're both powerful, but not identical. In fact, they may be complementary. Some clinics already stack intermittent fasting, rapamycin once per week, plus NAD plus a booster or metformin. It's not about one magic pill. It's about smart, individualized combinations, and we'll explore this in future episodes. So, what's the takeaway? Rapamycin is not a fountain of youth, but it's helping us understand the biology of aging and possibly how to delay it. As always, wisdom matters. Don't self-prescribe, don't chase trends, but stay informed, ask good questions, and work with professionals who understand both the science and the person behind the data. Remember, longevity isn't just about living longer, it's about living better. That is for today's episode of ACES Health. In our next episode of Chemistry of Aging series, we will dive into NAD+, cellular energy, and whether those trendy supplements actually work. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the show, leave us a review, share it with someone who cares about living well. Until then, guard your health, illuminate your life. I'm Dr. J.D. Young. See you next time.